Meghan Markle's heavily promoted lifestyle show, With Love, Meghan, won't be returning to Netflix, multiple sources told Page Six, after the Duchess called the show a lot of work. It's not returning as a series. There have been conversations about holiday specials, but there's nothing in the works yet, one insider said. Sources say that Markle, 44, will instead concentrate on building her lifestyle brand as ever. People will see similar cooking and crafting on Meghan's socials for the brand, but more bite-sized, one said. When Season 2 of With Love, Meghan, debuted last August, it didn't even make the list of the streamer's top 10 shows in the US that week, according to Forbes. However, the 2025 holiday special did crack the top 10 globally, we're told, with sources adding that Netflix considers the series a big success. Ratings for Season 2 and the special are due to be released in February. Markle has now pitched several holiday specials, including July 4th and Valentine's Day, and a source said the hope is to make them. The Duchess of Sussex debuted With Love, Meghan, last March in a bid to take on lifestyle gurus Martha Stewart, Ina Garten and Gwyneth Paltrow. But she immediately became a mockery for a string of amateurish hosting tips, from putting store-bought pretzels into labeled gift bags to making floral ice cubes, dunking towels in lavender oil to arranging rainbow fruit plates for kids' parties. The show ranked number 383, with 5.3 million global views, in the first half of 2025, according to Netflix's official engagement report. Netflix, however, still has a partnership with Markle for her as ever lifestyle brand, which tied into the series, and is still hawking the honey, tea and wine. Markle and husband Prince Harry, 41, also have a first-look deal with the streamer after their exclusive multi-million deal ended last year. For the series, Markle was joined by top chefs including Jose Andres, Roy Choi and Alice Waters, as well as some of her closest friends including former Suits co-star Abigail Spencer and makeup artist Daniel Martin. Chrissy Teigen and Tan France also made cameos, as did Markle's mom, Doria Ragland and Harry. Following Season 1, Markle insisted people love the show, and claimed those who criticize it online are just trying to pay their bills. "I think I knew who I was trying to meet," the Duchess of Sussex said on The Circuit with Emily Chong, referring to the mixed reviews the show received. Speaking at Fortune's Most Powerful Women Summit in October, Markle said of filming the show, "It's a year of learns. 8 episodes for 2 seasons. It's a lot of work." In one memorable moment on the show, filmed at a rented farmhouse in Montecito, California, near Markle and Harry's home, she corrected actress Mindy Kaling for referring to her by the last name Markle, saying, "It's so funny, too, that you keep saying Meghan Markle. You know I'm Sussex now." That name was given to the couple by the late Queen Elizabeth II after they married in 2018 and before they stepped down as working members of the royal family. "You have kids and you go." "No, I share my name with my children and that feels so. I didn't know how meaningful it would be to me, but it just feels so much," Markle said. "This is our family name, our little family name." There's also a deeper layer here about identity and reinvention. Meghan's insistence on her family name, her focus on motherhood, and her repeated emphasis on learning from the process all point to someone still trying to define her place post-royal life. This wasn't just a cooking and crafting show, it was an attempt to reshape public perception, from controversial royal figure to relatable lifestyle entrepreneur. Whether that transformation has been successful is still very much up for debate. So the real question isn't whether With Love, Meghan is over. It's whether Meghan can adapt fast enough to stay relevant in a space that doesn't offer many second chances. What do you think? Was the show unfairly criticized? Or did it simply miss the mark? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.